We saw in an earlier video that Russian has 3 essential spelling rules involving 8 letters, and that one way to remember them is to remember the story of Jacques the Cajun chef. Garlicky, crispy, hot shrimp with fresh chips was chosen by Jacques for the Tsar. In this video, we'll look at the 5-letter rule. This one involves where the stress is in a word. After these 5 letters, the last 5 of the 8, we will never write an unstressed or. Instead, we'll write yeah. This rule is just as important as the 7-letter rule because a lot of common adjective endings begin with or, and it may be unstressed. For example, you'll learn that you can add "oye" for the neuter singular nominative case of adjectives. Большое окно. And that's fine when the ending is stressed, as in большое. But what about a word like хороший? How do we spell that ending when it's not stressed? Well, if the stem of the adjective ends in any of these letters, and the ending is not stressed, then we don't spell the ending with "о". Instead, we'll use "е". Хорошее окно. Свежее молоко. Горячее какао. Now, don't worry, there's no need to learn all of these endings at once, but look at how many endings you'll be learning where the 5-letter rule will help you spell things correctly. Summing up, be sure you know the 8 letters of the 3 spelling rules. A silly mnemonic device like the story of Jacques the Cajun chef might help. The 5-letter rule involves the last 5 of these letters. After these 5 letters, write "е" instead of an unstressed "о". Большое, but хорошее, свежее, горячее. There will be many times when an ending you need would normally start with an unstressed "о", and this spelling rule will remind you to use "е" instead after these 5 letters. Getting this rule down now, in the beginning of your journey with Russian, will help you avoid needless spelling mistakes.